Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure Apple Intelligence is active, update your device and enable it under Siri and Search. Once done, open the app or files and locate the content, document, image, or web page you want summarized. Tap and hold or use the Share menu, then choose the Summarize action. This immediate step sends content to the model. It speeds processing and ensures relevant context is captured. You're moving straight into generation, not waiting on ancillary setup, so start the summary now. Once the draft appears, you refine it. Pick short, medium, long, or type a custom word count to control depth. Make sure to select a focus, overview for quick reading, action items for tasks, or technical details when accuracy matters, because focus guides what the model prioritizes. You can tap any highlighted sentence to edit or delete it and ask follow-up questions to expand sections. This iterative editing is why Apple Intelligence produces usable outputs quickly. It adapts as you narrow the intent. You finish by exporting the polished summary to Notes, Mail, or another app and copying text where needed. This makes distribution instant. Save versions or pin key items for later, and consider a shortcuts automation if you repeat this workflow. If the summary is incomplete or missing, first check permissions and content access, then reindex the affected files, restart the device, or rerun the process. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling Apple Intelligence off and on often forces a fresh indexing pass and resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.